Close your eyes and listen. In Lisbon, the land awakens to life through its captivating sounds. Immerse yourself in the symphony of the sea, in our typical flavors, and in the joyful sound of a beer opening, a toast to Lisbon's welcoming spirit. Feel the rhythm of Lisbon's cobblestone streets, blending art and urban energy. Let the melodic strumming of Portuguese guitars tug at your heartstrings, transporting you to a place where Fado's evocative melodies embrace your soul. In our city, in your city, every sound tells a story that resounds with life. Lisbon, where everything sounds different.